My name is Eniola Popola, and I'll be putting you through on graphic design. And this will be the first video, and I'll be putting you through on the introduction on Pixellab. So this is how the app is. It may be different from yours, but everything that is showing here will still reflect. Yeah, so I'm going to delete this. So like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you on the introduction of Pixellab. So I'm going to insert both fonts, both shapes, and both image on this layout, on this particular layout here. So I'm going to delete this. So this is how to pick text. You click on this plus sign, and I'll click on text, and this is how the text will be. And I also want to bring in a shape. Then I'll still click on this plus sign and bring in a shape. So you can get various shapes from here. Can you see? Can you use triangle? Can you circle? So we're using square. I mean, so let's just leave it there. And I want to use that particular image. So I'll be using my image, and this is my image. But you can see that we still have the background is there. So in this introduction to Pixellab, I also be putting you on how to remove your background from your image. So let's go to Chrome. Let's quickly go to Chrome. Let's search for background remover. You can see it here. So this is the first one we'll be using. I'll click on background remover. So what you will do, upload the image. So I'll upload my image. I'll upload the image. So the background is removing, is clearing. So we can make use of the image. Yes, so you can see that the background has been removed. So click on download. Just to watch through. You can see that the quality of this image actually reduced. So I'm going to put you through another video because I don't want this video to be long. That will be in another video. So always watch out. Always watch out. So this is the image. You can see obviously. So I want to crop this image because I don't want it to be that long. So this is how to crop. I hope you're watching me. As I had to put this button here. So I want to use everything here to serve as an introduction to Pixellab. So why are you looking at why is this black background showing? That's because it's the background. You can see it. That's because everything here relates to the background. Because everything here relates to the background. So you can even to pick the color of your background is here. You can pick it from here. You can see that it has changed. You can pick it. You can pick any color. You can click on this plus sign to pick any color of your choice. You can see it, and it's going to change. But let's still go with the black. So there's a difference between this background color and the difference between picking a color for anything on the background. I hope you are getting it. So this one is for a color for the background. Why this one is for picking selecting any color that you want to change on the background, on any elements that's on the background. So everything that we are seeing here, both the picture, both the square, both the text, is an element. So I want to change the color of the square to pink. See, can you see I've changed it here? And I want to change the color of this picture. Can you see? That's why you see a particular flyer and they'll say guess the speaker. So sometimes these are the used to do it. And let's change the color of this text. I want to change the color of this text. Oh, I'll see it here. You can see why I said I want to show you the introduction of Pixellab with the different thing, because you can see that from here. It was here that we picked this color. I hope you're seeing this down. It was here that we changed the color of the square and the color of the shape and the color of the image. But it was from here that we changed the color of the text. I hope you're watching. So let's start with an introduction of Pixellab from the text aspect. So this is the text here. We're clicking on edit. Let's say I want to write someone's name that is Ben David, and I'll click on David. Can you see? So David has appeared. So this place is for undo. So I'll undo it back. So I want to delete this particular text, and I'll click on delete it. And that's it here. And I want to copy a particular text that I've written. That's copy. So I want to delete it back. So click on the text back. And I want to maybe move it to the front. Let's assume. Can you see? I'll move it here. Let me move it back. Let's use the undo button. So you can see I want to move this into this already to the back here. This text already at the back. Let's quickly change the color. So let's say I want to bring that particular text to the front. Then this is it to the front. You can see this is it to the front. So I want to bring it to the back. I'm taking it back to the back. So I'm bringing it to the front again. So I hope you are seeing. So let's take it to the other side. Yeah. So I hope you are following. So this is a position. You want to take it upward, downward, to the left hand side, to the right hand side. So that is it. And relative position. I'm bringing it to the middle. This to the middle. So it's like to the exact. Let's say downward middle. Yes, this is it. So let's say to the right side. Yes, to the right side, downside. I hope you are getting me. And to the left hand upside. Yes, you can use any position. I hope you are seeing me, and I hope you are getting it. So most of the times you will not really use it. So most of the buttons that you use is mostly the centralized part, because that's what you actually want. You want all your you want your text to be centralized, or sometimes you want it maybe left hand side or right hand side. You can see it like this. Yes, so that's most of the ones I'm using. So for the size, this is how to get the size here. Yes, and for the padding, there are some fonts that when you use the fonts, the edge may not really show, but just keep following. You understand as we go in. Yes, so this the left padding. So you can see that this one has gone inside now. So that sometimes that you may see a text like this. So you just go back to the padding side and increase the left padding. See, can you see we're increasing the right padding? And that's it, yeah. So we have gone to the color before. Okay, let's go back to this padding because okay. So you want to remove everything, remove all the left padding, you just click on this button here. Yes. So the color, we've gone to the color before. Let me choose a brighter color. Like I said, these are to pick your colors. If you have a color and a color code, a color number, you can write it. Let's say you want to write HHR235. I'm just assuming. Can you see invalid? So let's just, if you want to put 000 is always black. But let's see how this will become. Okay, 000. Sorry. You can see what I'm saying. So it's always black. So that is it. And to pick a texture, meaning of texture is that you want a particular image to reflect either on a shape or on a text. So let's go to the texture. Let's go back to the texture. Yeah. So this is it here. So let's say I want this particular image that I have to reflect on the text, just like that. You can see it. You may not see it so clearly, but the image is reflecting. You can see. So let's delete it back because we don't need that for now. Yeah. So we've done the texture, the opacity. You want to reduce the brightness of the text. Yeah, you can see it here. Yes, and this either to rotate, to I'm pressing this side to undo it. Yes, so this side you may not really use it for the text, you may not really use it, but it's like cutting out a particular side. It's like cutting out a particular side. Yes, that's what this mask is all about. So this font here is for you to select a font. So I'll still put it on how to insert a font, but when you download Pixellab, you see a normal font here. You can see it for the image, but these are the fonts that I added. Yes, so that's how to pick a font. Let's say I want to pick this font. You can see that it has changed. So let's go back to the font editing. So let's go to the style. Maybe you want to make it bold. You can see it. You want to make it in an italic form. You want to underline it. So this T that has a cross sign is for you to cancel everything that you have done here. I hope you're getting me. So this is to either curve the text. Yeah, you want to curve it upside. You want to curve it anyway. Yeah. So this is here. So there's some text that actually have a background to it. So let's assume you want to add a background to this. So one thing about color, let me put this through. One thing about color is that you cannot add a lighter color on a lighter background, and you cannot add a darker color on a darker background. So if you want to create a background to this color here, let's assume we want to create a background to this color. So the default is black, that's why nothing is reflecting, but let's pick a color here. You can see that the green is not even really showing well. So let's just use this pink first. You can see, so this is how to create a background. So let's say you want to add a radius to it. Radius is to just reduce the sharp edge of a particular shape. So you can see it here. So this is how to create a background to a text. So let's remove everything we've done here. So this is alignment. If you want to align it to the left side, or you want to align it to the right side, and this is center alignment. This is most of the alignments that graphic designers use. Yes. Okay. So, and this is spacing. You want to have a space. Let's say the letter spacing. Let me make it so well for you guys, so you can see letter spacing as everything here. Or you want a spacing that is between the words. I hope you are seeing the difference. The letters is there'll be a space between the N, E, U, and both the T, E, T, X, T. But the words is that there'll be a space between the words. Let's say if you're having who sat on the wall, there'll be a space after who, there'll be a space after sat, and there'll be a space after on, a space after D, a space after wall. So that is it here. So I'm cancelling it. So this is line spacing. So line spacing is that you have maybe two texts. Let's say for example this. And you don't want this new and the text to be together. So you want a space to be after this new. Can you see? So this is it. You can bring it back as well. So I want to, it has been cancelled. So you want to add stroke to a text. So this is it here. So the stroke, I want it to be lighter. Can you see it here? This is how to add a stroke. Yeah. So for the shadow, you can add a shadow to a text as well. Let's just pick a color from here. Let's pick white. Can you see the shadow? Yeah, that's how to pick a shadow. And also an inner shadow. You can pick an inner shadow here. I want the inner shadow to be the lighter form of this green. Yeah, you may not really see the changes, but changes are occurring. Let's make it lighter. I hope you're seeing that it's not more the previous green that you saw. An inner shadow has been added to it. So this is not, you may not really need it. This is what we call emboss. You may not really need it. Yeah. Can you see? You may not really need it though. And perspective is for you to maybe enlarge, just to add some styles to the text though. You can see something like this now. Let's take it back. Can you see? Just to add a style to the text. You can see, I hope you are following. Just to add a style to the text. But if you don't want it to show again, you just fit here. Yes, this is a 3D rotation. Let's place this let's go back to undo. Let's place it on this our shape. So we're going for the 3D rotation. This is it here. Let's see it. You can see, so it's going to rotate the text X axis by the Y axis. I hope you're seeing. This is how it goes. Let me make the background white. Can you see? So there are times that you will not see the same text beneath this space where you have like something like shadow. You will not see the text there. So let's make the background black so we can see it. Yeah. So back to this. We had 3D shadow. Yeah. So let's delete it because we don't need it. So the next one is reflection. So this is what I was actually even talking about, that you want the other text to reflect. I hope you are seeing me. I hope you are seeing it. Let's change the text to fit. See. So this fit is actually reflecting down. Let's say you now even want to add something like this. Yes, 3D. So everything about this design, you cannot actually learn it in a particular day. But you keep learning every day as long as you put your mind to it. Can you see? As long as you put your mind to it. So that's all about introduction to Pixellab on the text aspect. And I hope you've learned something. So just follow through. So I'll put it through on the introduction to Pixellab on the shape and on the picture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.